Hi guys, this is Andy at Westport Machine Works. I got a product update video here today. If you have a machine, you're probably familiar with the spindle washer. It's just a hard plastic Delrin material, and over time it can break and wear out. And so the update now is a special bronze material that's made for wear, and when you need to replace your old plastic one, you will be getting a bronze one that should last a very long time. So that's a little update there. Also some bearing shields. I'll show you how these work in a minute. These you would place, you slide them down, they block the bearing for when you're welding or sanding or doing anything to the driveline that's creating dust and debris. All right, and like I mentioned, the old Delrin spindle washer, it slides onto the spindle there, and the whole purpose of it is to protect the hardened spindle from wearing against the steel plate when you're spin balancing. And so when that one goes, you get the bronze one, it'll go on there, and the bronze is meant to wear against the steel and will last a long time. Okay guys, in the bearing shields, I don't know if you can see this or not, but they are marked. There's one for the headstock, one for the tailstock, and when you're welding, that bearing is open right there. So how it works is you just slide it right down, and that kind of just blocks the bearing from any debris, and slide them out when you don't need them. And all new machines will come with those, as well as the new bronze spindle washer. It will be on all the new machines. And the final update I want to show you today, guys, is the new auto weld, or the welding drive unit. The motor is spring loaded on a bracket here, and now uses a flat belt with a crowned pulley. So when you place that belt on the crowned pulley, you don't have to be real precise with it. It will self-center. We'll turn on the drive, and we'll just speed it up here full speed. But as you can see, the flat belt works really nice. It's out of the way, and the crown pulley centers it automatically. You don't have to worry about it drifting off. And when you're done with the welding process, you just pull the motor forward, take the belt off, and hang it on the little hook. It's out of the way.